for today's video, I will be doing a collab with Aliah. So this is her, if you didn't know. And we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. Aliah contacted me and she wanted a collab. She's actually from the north, so we don't see each other a lot. So we decided to just do it online first. And then maybe in the future, if we see each other, we're going to do another collab that is actually like magkasama kami. Pero for now, this is what we came up with, and yeah, we decided to do a Valentine's Day makeup look since it's almost Valentine's Day. And I met Aliah actually when we went to Green Sun kasi may YouTube pop-up event doon. And then I also met her, well, we saw each other again when we went with Tyra to watch a movie in SM Mega Mall. So yun, I hope you subscribe to her. She creates content like this also, makeup, she does vlogs and hauls. So if you're interested, please subscribe to her. I'm gonna link her channel below, and hopefully we do another collab soon. So yeah, if you want to see what I did, this is my makeup look. If you want to see how I did this, just keep on watching. I'm first gonna be taking the Triz Cosmetics glowing elixir and I'm gonna put it all over my face. After primer, I will be using the Clio Kill Cover Concealer. I am in the shade 3BY, and I'm not going to use any foundation today because I don't like using foundation. And I'm just going to put this under my eyes and covering also my pimple that's still there. I'm going to be using my Real Techniques sponge to blend it all out. I really like this concealer kasi among the concealers I have, this has the most coverage. It doesn't cover up my spot. Well, it does cover the redness, pero you can still see it kasi nga masyado siyang malaki. Next thing I will be using is this Focallure loose powder. This is in the shade number 2. I really like this kasi the powder is really fine. And lalagay ko lang dito, magbe-bake tayo today. Because I'm gonna use eyeshadow. If it falls out, I can just brush it away with the powder. Now we're gonna move on to eyeshadow. I'm gonna put you closer to me now. I'm first gonna take this Focallure brow powder. And gagamitin ko lang yung shade dito, ito, for my eyelids. I'm just gonna use my finger first, and I'm just gonna put that all over my eyes. I think I'm gonna use the brown shade also for my crease. If you want a simple eye look, you can stick with this, like put something all over your lids and then put the brown shade on your crease. But I want something pinky and goldy and brown. I don't know. Basta yun yung gagawin natin today. I think I'm gonna take a darker shade of brown from the ABH palette. I have here the shades. Ang gaganda niya. I'm gonna take Mercury here. I'm gonna use this flat brush. And then, lalagay ko lang siya sa crease ko. Para lang pang-add kasi hindi masyadong kita yung sa Focallure. I'm gonna focus this on the outer lids or outer crease. Oh my gosh. Ang pigmented niya. Now we're gonna go with the ColourPop Femme Rose palette. You don't have to buy all of these palettes, but if you have like similar shades, that can work also. I'm gonna use the shade Missy right here, this red shade, and then I'm just gonna add that a bit to my crease. I'm gonna be using this brush. Itong shade siya. So, kita nyo na yung gold. Now I'm just gonna add more pink. I'm gonna be using this and get like a pink color. I'm gonna be using this shade. This shade is the shade Dear. Sobrang pigmented niya. So, lagi ko lang siya medyo over it sa may crease. And then, I'm gonna blend it. This shade here. Ito. This is in the shade Chic, I think. And I'm just gonna put that over Electric from the ABH. Next thing I will be putting is eyeliner. I have here the Benefit Roller Liner, and this is one of my favorites. While the eyeliner is setting, I'm gonna do my brows. I have two products to use. I will first be using the Brow Contour Pro from Benefit. Ayan siya. Ibababa mo yung dito. Ito, binaba ko na. And then you twist this up to get the product. I'm just gonna be putting it on the inner part. And then I'm gonna take the darker shade. I don't do a lot to my brows kasi makapal naman kilay ko. But when I do, I like this kasi it's so easy to use. I will be putting on the Benefit 3D Brow Tones. I am in the shade number 4. So this is like a brow gel. My brows don't look pantay, but that's the best it can do. Next thing I'm gonna do is curl my lashes with the Miniso Eyelash Curler. We are gonna use the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascaras. See the difference? Ang ganda ng lashes ko. Next thing I'm gonna do is contour. Oh my gosh, I have another Benefit product. I'm so sorry. I have the Hoola bronzer. I'm just using the Anklets brush. We're gonna put on some blush. I'm gonna be using the Vice Cosmetics blush. This is in the shade Bucon. I'm just gonna be using my H&M brush. What did I do last time? Oh wait, I remember. I was in school. Now I have the Essence Pure Nude highlighter for highlight. I'll be using the Anklets fan brush. Last thing I'm gonna do is my lips, and I let Antoine choose what lipstick I should use, and he said I should use the ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Slide. This is actually one of my favorite lip products, so I'm just gonna put it on and that's it. That is it for this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. This is how it looks like. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below what else you want to see from my channel, and please subscribe. Bye! Thanks for watching!